7,189 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in India in the last 24 hours, taking the active caseload currently to 77,032, the lowest in 579 days. Active cases account for less than 1% of the total cases, currently at 0.22%, which is lowest since March 2020. The number of dead climbed to 4,79,520, with 387 more fatalities in the last 1 day, data showed. The daily rise in coronavirus cases has been recorded below 15,000 for the last 58 days now. The national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 98.40%, the highest since March 2020, the Health Ministry said. Meanwhile, Omicron variant tally was also going up in India, and several states have introduced curbs once again. Uttar Pradesh started night curfew from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. from December 25th. No more than 200 people are allowed at weddings. No specific orders are given for political rallies as yet. Maharashtra has said that not more than 5 people will be allowed in public places between 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Weddings will be held with limited capacity. 50% capacity has been given for gyms, spas, hotels and theatres, and social and political gatherings can only have 100 people if it's happening indoors and 250 if it's happening outdoors. Gujarat too has imposed night curfew in several cities. In Haryana, unvaccinated people cannot enter public places from January 1st. And night curfew from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. from December 25th has also been imposed. Gathering of over 200 people has been banned. Chandigarh has also banned entry in public places for unvaccinated from January the 1st. Odisha has announced detailed curbs in view of the festive season. In particular, only 50 people were allowed to join Christmas Mass by strictly following COVID protocols.